What's that? Not your drawing? Can you tell me what it is? What's this?
Earth.
Oh, okay. And this one?
Mars.
And this one?
Jupiter.
And this little one?
Is that Beetlejuice?
Oh, it could be. What about over here? What's over here?
A cherry.
Ah, did you draw all the planets?
Yeah.
Wow, Yoshi. What's that one? How old are you, Yoshi?
2.
That's very good drawing for a 2-year-old.